Welcome back to our Sirix tutorial. In this part, we will dive into the account overview section of the platform. This area is crucial for monitoring the health and status of your trading account. Let's start with the account overview dashboard. This is the first thing you see when you check your account status. It gives you an overview of key indicators for your trading account. Clicking on it will expand this section to give you more information. Equity represents the total value of your trading account at any given time. Free margin. This is the money you have left after setting aside a portion for your open trades. Used margin. This is the money that is blocked to keep your current trades open. Open P&L means open profit and loss. This number tells you how much you are winning or losing on trades that are still open. Balance. This is the amount of money in your trading account. This does not take into account your current open positions. Margin level, technical term for knowing if your trading account is in good health. This is the ratio of your available money to your open positions. A high margin level means you have money available to handle new trades and vice versa. Credit. This is the extra money that the trading platform can give you. But in prop trading, this information is not useful. Just below you will find your positions. Open positions. This shows all currently open positions. Pending orders. This lists all orders that are scheduled to execute once certain conditions are met. Closed positions. This displays all past positions that you have already closed. For each position, you will find key information. The traded asset, the type of position, buy or sell, the quantity of units purchased or sold, date and time the position was opened, the price at which the position was opened, the current market price for open positions or the closing price for closed positions, stop loss and take profit if you have defined them, profit or loss of your position, the swap, which is the commission for keeping a position open overnight, the broker's commission for the trade, the trader you copied if so. To quickly display the graph, simply click on the eye. By clicking on your trade line, you can add or modify your stop loss and take profit. Finally, to close a position, simply click on the blue cross. And that's all the information you have at your disposal in your account overview. As you may have noticed, Sirix is an easy-to-use and very intuitive trading platform. Thank you for following our tutorial. We hope we have been helpful and wish you a successful trading experience with challenge4trading.com.